I got the question, and I think this is something that comes up quite often actually. Um, can you curse someone unintentionally? And the answer is actually yes, you can. Um, but it's a bit of a tricky situation, really. I mean, you can have a look at this from the perspective of magic in general, right? So if you are doing some kind of spell work, you have this process that you might be going through, and this is generalizations, but you would probably do something which would build energy. You would then focus and concentrate that energy, and then you would throw that energy at its target. And quite often, that building of energy actually comes from intense emotions. And in the case of when you're doing a curse, or when you are unintentionally cursing someone, there's a lot of emotion that's involved in something like that. You are, going through hatred. You are going through so much pain that you are building it up and you are projecting it, you are directing it at a particular person. And therefore, yes, you could curse someone intentionally. I think when it comes down to a situation where you kind of like swear at somebody and go, "Oh, wish you were dead," or whatever it is, quite often nothing really happens. I mean, as I said, the emotions that need to be involved in this are quite intense because you are doing it unintentionally. If you were doing it intentionally, you would have various methods that you would incorporate in order to actually, bring about the or build up the energy. It's not just about the emotions, and you would also intentionally be targeting. You would intentionally be throwing that energy specifically at the person for with a specific intention. Here, it's a bit abstract, a bit willy nilly, but yeah, you have a target because you are focused on a person, you are welling up a hell of a lot of emotion, and usually that's over a period of time if that hatred is really, really strong. And therefore, yes, you can. But as I said, if it's just like a case of, you just shout at somebody and, kind of wish them dead or wish them harm or wish them ill or whatever it is, quite often nothing really happens. We do see this in cases of the evil eye. Now, if a witch were doing this, just a single witch, and therefore with intent, it's called evil eye or sometimes called owl blinking, but it's intended and it's targeted, okay? And that's one single person. Usually, in the case of the evil eye, in terms of a celebrity, okay? Sorry, I have somebody chopping down trees in the background, and I've been trying to record this the whole day. And every time I start, they start. So I'm just going to carry on now. So just ignore the background noises. So in the case of the evil eye, in regards to, let's say, a celebrity who is getting a lot of jealousy from a large group of people. This isn't usually just one person who's jealous of somebody else. This is usually a group of people, a large group of people who are jealous, who have jealousy, they have envy of this person, and therefore they will get hit with the evil eye because this group is generating this energy. And as I said, it's not just like just a single once off thing. It's usually a case of a group of people over a period of time are creating, building this energy, and it's being directed at the person. So we have something like that. So yes, in terms of somebody who is feeling intense emotions for a period of time, for a specific person, and it's kind of constantly being directed at that person, and those emotions are very, very intense. Yes, you could curse someone unintentionally. Um, but then again, if somebody's in that situation, is that curse really unintentional? Whether they, you sat down and worked through a plan or not, while in a situation like that, I would want to curse the person, whether I actually, formally did it or not. So, unintentionally, intentionally, and don't really know if we can actually bring that particular phrase into it. But yeah, so as I said, in the case of that, it's going to involve intense emotions. It's going to involve a period of time. It's going to involve very direct targets being directed specifically at one person. Other than that, just going around and saying, you are going to have this illness, or your balls are going to fall off from the disease of 1,000 fleas or whatever. Yeah, just if there's not really anything behind it, it's not going to do anything. And this is where the whole idea of magic is all about intent. No, it's not. There's a lot more to spell work and magic. It's not just about intent. If in that case, intent almost becomes the same as being like wishful thinking. So, if I intended to have $1 million in my bank account tomorrow, I've intended it. Therefore, I'm going to have $1 million in my bank account. Not going to happen, because there's a lot more to that. There's all the emotion that gets involved, the will, generating that energy through will and desire and everything else, and then projecting it and throwing it at its actual target, specifically at the target. Um, so don't think that just because you said X, Y, and Z to somebody that they're now cursed. This is a very intense thing that happens. All right, so just wanted to address that, and that's it really. Thanks and cheers. See you next time. Bye bye.